Hello, everybody. My name is Ryan Ranger here at Gaia's Workshop. I am the drum apprentice slash drum repairman, and this is a djembe I have been working on for a while, and just trying to make it look pretty like it's supposed to. It's a beautiful vintage djembe, and it's got a very strong presence. We felt as soon as we started to work with it, and we'll have some before and after pictures pop up, and I'm gonna play it a little bit just so you can hear it, and yeah. Okay.
That's good, yeah.